Alright, what's going on, traders? I'm back again with another daily recap. Today is August the 21st, 2019. It is a Wednesday, and as you can see, I am green on the day, $40. Took 3 trades, one in Facebook, which was a break even, one in Lowe's, which was a winner, and then one in Target, which was a loser. And I'm going to break down these trades today, starting with the first one of the day, which was Facebook. So I'm going to pull up the chart for you. Alright, let me show you the executions first. So Facebook, this is the first trade, like I said, I took during the day. It was a short play, and shorted at 185.60 and covered at 185.60 for a break even. And thought process was high of day, and saw some indecision. Decided to go ahead and take a short. We had immediate follow through, so that allowed me to move my stop to break even, and on this pullback ended up being stopped out, which was unfortunate because you can see it was just kind of a random pullback. And after that big pullback, you see we continue to just drop. And had I not moved my stop loss to break even, this would have been a winning trade, but hey, it is what it is. It's something I want to work on, something I need to get better at in managing my trades, when and when not to move your stop loss up to break even, and so on. So that was Facebook, break even trade. Nothing much more to it. Next trade was on Target, TGT, and this was also another short play. Shorted at 101.31 and covered at 101.82 for a 51-cent loss, which, playing with 100 shares, that is going to be equivalent to a $51 loss. So let me bring up the chart for you, show you why I took the trade. So this is what I saw right here. This is what I saw right here. We're coming into high of day resistance, and saw a nice bearish candle. We had follow through immediately after, so I went short and ended up getting stopped out on the next candle. So I was in that trade for nothing but 4 minutes, and as you can see, ultimately did stop out correctly, because look at how high it got to 102.60s, and I got out at 101.7 or 101.80, and ultimately reached a high day of 103. So good stop out. Losses are going to happen, not even worry about it. That was a good trade. I like the setup at high of day, just taking a chance on high of day really, and yeah, just took a loss. That's really it. Now this next trade was my last third and final trade I took, and it was on Lowe's. Lowe's was moving today. I saw it it was on the scanner. That and Target, they were on the scanner for gapping up, and so I decided to play them. They had a lot of volume, and so I wanted to follow the volume and just be on trade the active stocks of the day. And so as you can see, this is also another short play. Shorted at 109.10 and covered at 108.19. So this trade, funny enough, let me bring up the chart first, show you guys my thought process. So like I said, I went short, and the reason why I went short is because I saw all these, look at all these wicks right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and once we broke this low, that's when I got in, the low of this candle. So that's when I got in. And the funny thing is, like I said, was I had my 2-to-1 risk to reward, and so my 2-to-1 profit was at 107.72. And as you can see, we didn't hit that until way over here later in the day. But what we did hit was 107.76. So 4 cents away from where I had my order to get filled at. Well, that didn't go too well, and that ended up costing me like about $40. As you can see, I had a trailing stop this time. I used a trailing stop loss for the trade, and I ended up placing the stop loss at above this candle during, like, it was just like a one candle stop. So each candle I was trailing it, and ended up getting stopped out once we broke the top of this candle. But I was 4 cents away. The whole point of this story is that I was 4 cents away from getting filled right here at the 107.72 where I wanted to get filled, and that 4 cents ended up costing me $40 because I held all the way until it retraced, as you can see, all the way back up here. So could have been out at, I could have been out just at 107.70 or whatever, 107.80, and would have made an extra $30, but ended up holding, got stopped out at 108.15, I believe, 108.19, and that cost me like an extra $40, like I said. Not too cool, not too fun right there, but it is what it is. Still made profit. Took all the loss from the previous trade away and added some more. But on this trade, had I kept my stop loss at break even, I wouldn't have gotten stopped out, because you see we pulled up all the way over here, and I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. But hindsight's 20/20. For all I know, we could have just kept during the moment. For all I know, we could have just kept going on after this rally. Because look, that's a strong rally, especially with this bar and this bar too. That's a pretty strong rally. Looking at it like this, you see that right there. That doesn't look like it's losing any strength, and that's just gonna just pull back all of a sudden. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna be mad with taking profits. I made, I think, $91 on that trade, which, I mean, it was a small day for me, but just trying to stay green right now, really. After those 2 red days, I just want to get back on track. Hopefully the market just starts picking up again. You know, August is almost over. Got about 7 days left in this month, trading days, and yeah, after that, hopefully things will start to pick back up. Because I know from just experience, or just from viewing the markets, and from hearing other people talk about it, that fall is when things start to pick back up. And you know, fall is starts about September. And I've heard that's when, like, the market, like, starts to pick back up during September, and all the way through winter. Fall and winter are like the main active months, you know. And so hopefully there is when I can make a nice lump sum. But yeah, that's basically it. Took 3 trades, like I said. 1 winner, 1 loser, and 1 break even. So all in all, an okay trading day. Up $40, so I'm not going to be complaining. Hopefully tomorrow, Thursday, will be another trading day where I'm green. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like and comment down below. We can talk some trading. I'll see y'all tomorrow for another trading recap, hopefully green. Until then, y'all take it easy.